In this video, I'm going to show you a few easy steps if you for some reason need to deactivate your antivirus. So I have the Windows Defender antivirus, but if you have another antivirus, you can just search for that. So let's just search for Windows Security. And then you want to click the app, and if you have another antivirus installed, you just search for that and click that app. And then you want to go to Virus and Threat Protection at the left menu here. And then you want to scroll down to Virus Threat Protection Settings. And then you want to click Manage Settings. And inside here, where it says Real-Time Protection, you want to turn this switch right here off. And then you want to click Yes. So this is how to deactivate your antivirus in a few simple steps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.